I've created a Google Drive folder with close to over $1,000 worth of paid content, paid courses, social media templates, Adobe Photoshop templates, resume templates, Premiere Pro templates, After Effects templates, vector icons, video editing effects, DFY articles, MMR digital products that I'm going to give to you in today's video completely for free. And I've actually spent money on this strategy for you guys so that you don't have to spend a single cent on this. If you want to learn how you can make money online with these Google Drive folders in 2024, make sure that you watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you how you can get complete free access to these Google Drive folders with the following instructions at the end of this video. But first, you need to understand each and every step that I'm going to explain to you so that by the end of this video, you know exactly how to go and make money with Google Drive in 2024. First things first, come over to drive.google.com. You can sign up a completely free account. In fact, you get over 2 gigs of storage completely for free. You'll be able to upload any files of any sort to Google Drive to save them onto an online cloud so that you can access these files on any devices that you own, whether that be your mobile phone, your laptop, or your PC, and you can interlink those files between all of your devices. There are hundreds of millions of people to date that make use of Google Drive. Now, what if I told you there is a way where you can make money online every single day using Google Drive? And that's exactly what I've created today's tutorial for. I'm going to show you how you can make money off high valuable items resting in your Google Drive through basic membership areas such as Gumroad.com or also Payhip.com, where you can sell digital downloads, courses, and much more in one simple platform completely for free. I'm also going to show you at the end of this video how I run a more high-ticket info agency that has brought me in over $43,000 so far. The fantastic thing about this Google Drive strategy is that your world is the oyster because there is so many different ways that you can promote and make money off these Google Drive products. There is Facebook ads, Google ads, there's Instagram ads, there's free Instagram organic content, TikTok organic content, there's Facebook Marketplace, and the best thing is you can go and offer all of these items to your leads completely for free as a hook or an incentive to a much more expensive high-ticket product, increasing your conversion rate, increasing your sales, and ultimately increasing your net profit. A fantastic example of many people doing this, making thousands of dollars off their Google Drive products. People selling 1,000 plus PLR course videos with resale rights for $10. If I click on this person's product, you can see how really trending these types of products are. There's only 5 left and there's over 20 plus of these orders in people's checkouts. That means right now, as I'm recording this video, over 20 people are busy checking out for this product. And it's absolutely genius because Etsy is a fantastic free place to go and make a lot of money off these links in your Google Drive folder. Many other people doing this. Over here is 5 dark aesthetic video reels for your Instagram reels and for your video content as well. Currently in over 20 people's checkouts at the moment. If I go and calculate this, let's go $34, the total amount of this product, 50 multiplied by 20, that's potentially $688 that this person is going to make today off these items in their Google Drive, just simply promoting them on Etsy.com. So it's really a no-brainer and it's something really simple to do because you don't have to create any content yourself. You don't have to record anything. You don't need fancy lighting, microphones, lighting. You don't need any of that because everything is going to be done for you in today's video. Like I said, I've purchased these items for you and I'm going to give them to you at the end of this video to make this work for you. I want you to comment down below if you would like me to do a giveaway in every single video that I post on my channel, whether that's just a free course, a free PDF, a step-by-step guide, or just a free resource to help you out, to help improve your knowledge, whether that be in affiliate marketing, e-com, trading, drop servicing. Comment down below yes or no, and if we get majority comments yes, I will make sure that I post a giveaway in every single video. So every video that you click on of mine, you can expect to receive something really epic for free. So I'd love to hear from you guys. Comment down below and let me know. But let's continue. So now that we have a really good example of people actually making money with this, let's go through the Google Drive and exactly what you're going to be receiving from me today. In this specific folder, I have an entire folder with Adobe After Effects Premiere Effects that professional video editors can use in their videos. Have you ever seen those Instagram pages where people DM you or are promoting video editing services? Well, this is exactly what they're promoting and what they need for their business to run. We're catering for people in really every industry. Over here, we have resume templates for people that want to write up their resume. And I count probably close to about 60, 70 different resume templates in this folder that you're getting completely for free that you can now start selling. Shopify theme stores. If I click on this, I've given you close to 300 different Shopify theme stores that you can use for your drop servicing agency, or that other people around the world can buy from you to use for their Shopify stores. T-shirts designs for printify.com, also for Etsy, for digital print on demand. Tons of designs that you can now use for also with various strategies that I've created on my channel. Right over here, we have video editing effects such as transitions, drones, cars, planes and choppers, rises, scary horror effects, science and fiction, telephone, tension builders, impacts and explosions. So really fantastic folder for, again, video editors and just wanting to spice up their content. Over here, we have vector icons, which you can use for logos. There's over 10,000 plus vector icons. It could be little emojis, also fantastic effects for videos. Lightroom presets, one of my favorites to touch up your videos, to add beautiful coloring and grading to your images. If you're a photographer and you really want to get into touching up your images to that next level to make them stand out. And everything for every type of digital content creator is in this folder today. So make sure to keep watching and I'm going to teach you how you can go and get this completely for free. A great place to go and get started is up on payhip.com, which is a very simple platform. And I'm going to teach you the easiest tutorial ever on how you can simply, in the next 2 minutes, set up your digital membership area and start selling these Google Drive contents. So you can come over to login or get started completely for free on the homepage. There's no credit card, as you can see over here. There's no free trial. It's free for lifetime. And it's really epic. The fact that we can now sell stuff online anywhere in the world completely for free. And that's the opportunity and the level we're at as where we are in today's era and time. 20, 30 years ago, you couldn't make money online with these sort of things. And that's why I also believe that the schooling system, university system is slowly but surely getting more and more outdated because they're not up to date with this kind of stuff. But that's why people like me are here on YouTube to help you educate you with this kind of stuff. But with that being said, click on login if you've created your account. I've already got my account, so I'm going to quickly log in and meet you on the dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see your dashboard that looks like this, where you can see all the different products that you've added, whether that be from a Google Drive or a PLR website such as idplr.com. And you'll see over here on the one product that I've been promoting with this, which is something that I also downloaded from IDPLR, very similar to the type of contents that I'm going to be giving you in today's Google Drive. AI Productivity and Profit 2.0 is a full course and a basic course that will teach you how to make use of AI for better productivity and for profit in 2024. So far, I've had over 37 orders on this product at a total of $7.09 per order at a total net sale of $262.33. And also the fantastic thing about this is all of your sales are 100% profit because these products are your own. There's no affiliate cut. There's no commission taken from any of these sales because there's no overheads. There's no expenses on this. It's all completely free. And that, again, is the beautiful thing about today's era. You can sell products online and keep 100% net profit. The only commission that you might need to pay is 2% per sale, as that is how this platform, Payhip, makes their money. So instead of charging you money every single month, they will take a small commission of every single sale that you make. And you'll see over here, you can go and click on add new product. You can go and click on digital product. And let's come over to our Google Drive folder. Let's come over to Lightroom presets. Now, what we can go and do is we can go and download all of these. So on the top right-hand side of the folder where it says Lightroom presets, right click on this, click on download, and this will download to your PC. You can then come back to payhip.com. You want to go and title your product 50 Plus Pro Lightroom LUTs and presets. For our price, we can go and charge $9.99. For the cover image, we can come over to Google and just go and search a Lightroom preset. We can go and open this up in a new tab, save this image to your PC. Come back to payhip.com, click on upload product image and upload that same picture that we've just downloaded off Google. For the upload product file section, you want to come to the Google Drive and upload this entire zip folder of the Lightroom presets. We can double click on that and you'll see over here, this will now start uploading. For the description over here, we can go and type here access to over $1,000 worth of paid for Lightroom presets for only $9. Simple, short and sweet. Let's let this upload finish, and then we're ready to go and make money with this product. My internet seems to be taking a dip. That folder's taking a really long time to upload. Some folders may take some time as they're well over 300 megs or over a gigabyte, but here is an example of what the product will look like once it's done posting to payhip.com. It's a simple landing page that looks like this, where you can check out or buy this product immediately. You'll see over here, if I click on buy now, it's going to open up a simple pop-out checkout where this is exactly what it's going to look like for your leads and your customers, where they can enter with direct debit or credit card or check out directly with PayPal. So really smooth, simple, easy experience for your leads to check out with your product. Once they check out, they'll receive an email from payhip.com and a downloadable link with their contents on the Google Drive link that I've uploaded for you guys to get access to in today's video. If you guys want to go and learn how I make hundreds of dollars every single week through my info agency, the last week alone, I've made over $343 promoting products like this. Over the last 12 months, I've made well over $43,000 online, and this is just my one dashboard. My Stripe account dashboard, which I show in the video that I'll leave at the end of this video on the screen, is well over $80,000 in profit. So that's over $130,000 in net profit in 2023 alone, coming into 2024. And that's exactly where you can scale with this sort of thing. It's absolutely crazy. It's absolutely endless to where you can scale, because remember, there's over 8 billion people in this world, and all those people is your audience, is your target audience, because it's all online. Everybody that's online is a potential customer, and you can eventually get to the point where you're starting to scale to listing your listings on Etsy.com, and you can start to run ads on that. You can go and create an Instagram page and an entire content creation business promoting these types of products and get hundreds of sales through social media. Now, if you guys would like a full, more in-depth video on how exactly I promote products like this from Google Drive and my own info agency courses, I'm going to give you another piece of value in today's video. Not only I'm going to give you access to this Google Drive right now, but I'm going to give you a full course teaching you how to make money with this Google Drive far more in depth. Now, firstly, if you want access to this Google Drive that I've showed you over here with its multiple links, I'm going to leave all 5 of the links down below in the description. All I would appreciate is leave a subscribe on this YouTube channel with the notification bell on, comment down below, I'm ready, leave a like, and I will also pin all 5 links to these Google Drives on the pinned comment and also in the description. And if you guys want to get a free info agency course selling course here for free on YouTube, bit of a tongue twister, I'm going to leave a free video on the screen over here where I actually teach you how Iman Gadzi and myself are making millions and hundreds of thousands of dollars through selling really high valuable life-changing courses. And it's going to open up your eyes very nicely into identifying the fake gurus that are just creating shitty content for the purpose of selling courses, and the actual real gurus that have courses out there that is actually changing lives and really valuable for the people in those mentorship programs. And that's the thing with selling courses. It's become such a sensitive industry where we don't know what's what. And that is why this video on the screen over here will really open up your eyes nicely. So make sure to click on this video over here, go and download all of your links down below, and I'll see you in the inside over here.